So we will start with our fifth module. In the fifth module, we will discuss mainly what are the visualization features or graphs or plotting functions used in R. In R software, the strong feature of R software is it has a very strong visualization feature. So data can be visualized in a powerful manner using R software. The first topic is graphical parameters in R. What is a parameter? A parameter generally is any characteristic that can help in defining or classifying a particular system, meaning an event, project, object or situation. That is, a parameter is an element of a system that is useful or critical when identifying the system or when evaluating its performance, status, condition, etc. Parameters has more meanings with various disciplines like mathematics, computing and computer programming, engineering, statistics, logic and linguistics. So parameters are having specific meaning in each disciplines. When a system is modeled by equations, the values that describe the system are called parameters. Graphical parameters. Graphical parameters are a list of arguments available to control the appearance of graphs. So using these parameters, we can control the appearance or visual outlook of the graphs. The parameters will decide how the graphs look like. You can customize many features of your graph through graphic options or through parameters. You can customize many of the graphic features of the graph. For example, you can customize font, color, axis, y-axis and x-axis. The color of axis can be changed, and the title of the graph can be changed. The font of the title can be changed. So all these features can be customized using the parameters. One way to specify these options is through the parameter function. The parameter function is PAR function. So PAR function is known as parameter function. If you set parameter values here, the changes will be in effect for the rest of the session or until you change them again. The format is parameter in the bracket, option name equal to value, comma, option name equal to value, etc. So this is the general format for using parameter function known as PAR function. For example, this is a code which sets the graphical parameter. You can go through this. A second way to specify graphical parameter is by providing the option name equal to value pairs directly to a high-level plotting function. In this case, the options are only in effect for that specific graph. This is the second way to specify a graphical parameter. These are some of the important graphical parameters that you can use. First one is for text and symbol size. For controlling the text and symbol size in graph, you can use the parameters like CEX, CEX.axis, CEX.lab, CEX.main, CEX.sub. Each of these parameter changes according to the value you give to them. For example, CEX.main, it gives the magnification of titles. That means it magnifies the title of the graph. Another one is CEX.sub. It helps to magnify the subtitles of the graph. For plotting symbols, you can use PCH equal to option. For the symbols 21 through 25, this is an example. For symbols 21 through 25, we can specify the border color. The parameter used for specifying border color is COL equal to. And for filling the color in that symbols, we can use the option BG equal to. So border color is COL equal to, fill color is BG equal to. Lines, LTY means line type and LWD means line width. These are the different line types available in R, used in graphs in R. Then colors. For specifying colors, we can use the options like COL, COL.axis, COL.lab, COL.main, COL.sub, then FG, BG. For example, COL.axis means it gives the color for axis. COL.lab means color for, they will give color for X and Y labels. Then next is font. You can easily set font size and style. The options available are font, font.axis, font.lab, font.main, font.sub, PS and family. So various font types available are serif, sans, mono, symbol, etc. Then mono means TT Courier New, serif means Times New Roman, sans means Arial, then mono means Courier New, etc. Then margins and graph size. You can also control the margin size using the following parameters: MAR, MAI, PIN.